That's why we give you all glory, honor, and praise to only you, God. We give you all of the glory. All of the honor and the praise, it all belongs to you, Lord. We give you, everything belongs to you. For everything that you have done, for everything that you have been to us.